Hello, Miss Vera back again. Yeah, Miss Vera love math. I miss you guys, because in my ears I always, heard your Miss Vera. Can you show me this, Miss Vera? I need your help. Okay, now this Miss Vera can do. Okay, so this is we learn number 11 to 20. So this is pretend. This is, the 10 board. Yeah, this is the 10. Yeah, pretend this is the 10. So you remember how to make 11 is 10 and 1. Okay, and then now how to make 12. 12 is 10 and 2. 1, 2. This is 12. Okay, and then this is 13. Yeah, you can put 10 and 1, 2, 3 is 13. Okay, so until 14, 15, and so on. Okay, if you want to change this to 10 with counting the rock to 11, it's okay too. Okay, it's fine. Yeah. Okay, this is the lesson you can practice at home. Okay, and thank you.